Welcome to our video where we compare two of the best air fryers in the market today. Before we jump into the comparison, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with our latest product reviews and comparisons. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro comes in at $99, while the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is priced at $139. While the Instant Vortex Plus is $40 more expensive, it offers 6-in-1 functionality which includes air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. COSORI only offers air frying functionalities. COSORI Air Fryer holds a 5-quart capacity, which is suitable for 1 to 4 people. In contrast, Instant Vortex Plus provides 4 to 6 servings for your family and friends. Therefore, if you wish to cook meals for larger families, Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer provides you with a more substantial capacity. Both air fryers offer diverse functionalities. COSORI Air Fryer Pro provides 9 one-touch cooking functions. You can customize the cooking process of your dish with its personalized shake reminder. Instant Vortex Plus packs in 6-in-1 features, plus an even crisp technology that ensures a perfect golden finish. It has preset programs for wings, roasted veggies, cookies, garlic potatoes, cinnamon buns, and more. Both air fryers offer non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets and trays, making it easy to clean up after cooking. However, COSORI Air Fryer Pro has a non-stick basket made without BPA and PFOA, so it's a better option for people who want an all-natural and less chemical-laden product. COSORI Air Fryer Pro has an original accessories set that you can easily purchase. It also has disposable liners for the 5 to 6 quart air fryer. Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer provides no mention of additional accessories or disposable liners for its customers. That's it for our comparison of COSORI Air Fryer Pro and Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to our channel for more awesome product review and comparison videos.